Hey, there we go. Welcome friends, family, and strangers. So we're going to do a review. Not a review. More of an unboxing than anything else. We're in the car, parked safely. And I got a beer. We're in the garage. Not driving. Not driving. But I do have a package. Let's go ahead and open it up. These are for my wife. You probably already saw in the thumbnail. A pair of headphones. Soundcore. Let's go ahead and open it. I didn't bring a knife. I normally have a knife with me. I don't want to rip it so much, but let's go ahead and do that anyway. There we go. That's not so bad, right? Hello, there we are. Ooh, comes with a nice little bag. Soundcore. The bag is nice and soft. Oh, it's like a pleather. Yeah, look at that bag. That's nice. Soundcore. With this little, yep. We'll get rid of that. It's nice and soft. Very supple. Yeah, it's a cool bag. Instructions, of course. Instructions. Put that to the side. Throw that away. Here is the main deal. I like the packaging. It's pretty cool. It's plastic, of course. I mean, what more can you do about it? All right. Comes with USB-C. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Ooh. What was it called? I forget what it's called. 3.2 jack? I forget what it's called. Nice. Ooh. Very cool. Nice and soft. It's very soft. Ooh, look at the writing right there, if you can see it. Hold on, let me get a light for you so you can see it. Oh, look at it. It says R on it. That's pretty cool, man. Let's put this right there so you can see. Yeah. It's got the little R on it. Get a little L on it too. And that's pretty cool. It's very supple. By Anker. Yep. Soundcore. On both sides. Controls. We got quite a bit going. There's your USB-C. Your jack. You also got your volume, up, down, your play button right in the middle. On the other side, you got your power button and your NC. I'm not sure if that, I think that's the noise cancellation. Yep, that's your noise cancellation right there. That's pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, we're back here. It's quite nice. It's very soft. It has some little nice little plastic covering right here. I'll leave that on for the wife. Right to left. Ooh, nice. Huh. Alright, there's your motions right here. It's metal. With the inside of it is plastic. Now on the Amazon, we got it through Amazon, and Anker got themselves a really nice score. Really nice score. And this is gonna be for my big head. Yeah, that's good. Let's take a look at the scoring on it. Anker Life Q20 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. It's got a 4.5 review. 80,449 people reviewed it. 80,000 people have these headphones. 80,500 people have these headphones. Got 4 sustainable features. Working well-being, manufactured on farms or in facilities that protect the rights and or health of workers. What else? Manufacturing practices. Manufactured using processes that reduces the risk of negative environment impact. Energy efficient. Conserves energy compared to similar products. Safer from chemicals. Made with chemicals safer for human health and the environment. That's cool. TCO certified. That is pretty nice. 10K plus was purchased in the past month. It comes in 60 hours playtime, high-res audio, deep bass, memory foam ear cups for travel and home office. She's going to be using it for all kinds of stuff. As you can see here, it comes in blue, black, pink, silver. Black is the cheapest price by $5. The people bundle it, of course, with this and that. Let's see what else. Yeah, we got it for $39.90. It was on sale. She bought it this morning and it got here today, like later tonight. Of course, 50 hours. So like almost an hour ago, 8 o'clock. Dude, this is pretty awesome. Like, let's see. Customers like the sound quality, value for the money, and comfort of the headphones. They mentioned the caller's voice is loud and clear. The buttons are easy, and the volume is intuitive. Some appreciate the build quality and say the headphones don't feel cheap. They don't. AI generated from the text of customers. Okay, select is done. Upper sound quality, value and money, quality, comfort, works great. Battery life, ease of use, and build quality. Alright, that's pretty dang cool. Well, there you go. A little unboxing for you guys. Hope to see you again soon. It's been a while since I've done a video. I got a few things I got up my sleeve. We'll talk more about it later. See ya.